Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Thank you for subscribing and being a faithful subscriber. And I also thank you for following me in my new videos that has been updated. So viewers, you'll be wondering what type of spice powder is this? This is a spice powder, homemade spice powder. I'm going to show you how to make them. In Hindi it is called Garam Masala. Garam means is hot and masala means is spice. So let's see how we make this a homemade garam masala or hot spice. Let's get into the kitchen and see what are the ingredients are. To make the garam masala, these are the ingredients right now I have cumin seeds, which is the same amount that you take but a little difference in it. I'll tell you how much is it. The cumin seeds is 1 tablespoon. Black peppercorns are 1 tablespoon. And cardamom pods, green cardamom pods, which is 1 teaspoon. And I have 2 ingredients over here. I have taken 1 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of cloves, and I have the coriander seeds, which is 2 tablespoons. All we got to do is roast them and then we are going to grind them. So let's get into the kitchen to see how this has been roasted. To start off, I have already broken the cinnamon sticks. I'll drop off in a griddle, and I have heated a griddle, and I'm also adding on some cloves and some black pepper and some cardamom powder, some cardamom pods, and I'm going to roast them. So I'm going to roast until the green cardamom changes its color a little bit. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. There is 2 ingredients more to add on, which is the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds, which I'm going to roast them separately, so to prevent them from burning. So if you have asked what heat am I using, I'm using a medium heat and I'm roasting them. The cardamoms are already changing color, so it's an identical that the black pepper and the cinnamon is already been roasted. So for this, I'm going to change them into a tray. On this tray, which I'm going to just transfer them, and I'm going to cool them off. And now I'm going to add the coriander seeds and cumin seeds. And even now the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds have been roasted, and so we can remove them anytime. So I'm going to remove them right now. And now we are going to cool them off. And here we have the roasted and cooled the masalas for the garam masala or the hot spice. And so now I'm going to transfer them into a grinder, and in a coffee grinder, and I'm going to grind them by batches. And here, viewers, is my grounded garam masala. So all you got to do again, get an airtight container and just transfer them. You can make even double the amount or triple the amount. It's all up to you and how you want to make it. I'll leave the description of the ingredients below and just for the measurements, and you can make this as for your pre-cooking preparations fresh, and you don't have to buy it from the store. I'm not saying that I'm boycotting you from preventing from going to the store, but when you can make them in your home so simple, why not? So here we go, and this is my end product of the garam masala, and all you got to do is just cover them and keep them. It will last for at least about 2 months, so it depends on how often you're doing your Indian dishes, and it is useful for many dishes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Share with your friends, and also keep watching for the next video. Till then, we'll see you in the next video.